Today in front of me I have the EUFY Indoor Cam 2K pan and tilt, and in this video I will show how you can find and configure the video settings in this security camera. So to start, you will need to take your smartphone, then launch the EUFY security app. Next, go into your camera settings, find the video settings and open them. Here they are. Inside the video settings, you can change the night vision preferences, you can change the watermark preferences, you can adjust the streaming quality as well as the recording quality separately, or you can set up the continuous recording preferences here. In my case, they are unavailable since the SD card that is inserted into my camera is not formatted, but anyway, that's up to you to, well, enable or disable it. So if you want, you can format your memory card and enable this feature. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.